Imagine growing food even when the snow is falling. The Amish have mastered this art for generations. Today, we'll reveal their gardening secrets that bring harvests all year. The Amish live closely with nature. Their gardens thrive without reliance on chemicals. Instead, they observe the land, soil, and seasons. Their techniques are time-tested, rooted in tradition. One core practice is no-till gardening. This means no disturbing the soil, keeping it healthy. Beneficial microbes and earthworms thrive this way. This also prevents erosion and conserves moisture naturally. Another method is companion planting. By planting certain crops together, they enhance growth and repel pests. For instance, marigolds keep insects away while basil boosts tomato flavor. They rotate crops annually to keep the soil balanced. To extend the growing season, they use simple methods. Cold frames and hoop houses protect plants from frost. This means fresh greens can be harvested even in winter. They carefully collect rainwater for irrigation. Mulching saves moisture and reduces watering needs significantly. Harvest time is all about efficiency. They can dry or pickle surplus food for later. No part of the harvest goes to waste. You can adopt these Amish principles too. Start with heirloom, climate-adapted plants to suit your garden. Your soil's health is crucial. Enrich it with compost, avoiding synthetic fertilizers. Build a community around gardening. Share seeds and knowledge with neighbors. The Amish believe in working together, and you can too. Choosing these practices leads to sustainability. It means less waste and better food yields. You'll enjoy freedom from expensive grocery prices. Each seed planted is a step toward food independence. Feeling inspired by Amish gardening? If so, hit like, subscribe to HealthHarvestTv, and share this with fellow gardeners. Let's cultivate our future together, one garden at a time.